Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this elegant chignon hairstyle on medium length hair. To start, I'm going to divide the hair from the top of the head to just above the ears and clip this out of the way. Do this on both sides of the head. Split the remaining hair at the back in half and we're going to secure each half into a ponytail about top of ear height. And then starting on the left hand side, I'm going to release that front section, smooth it out with my fingers and bring it over the top of that right ponytail. Then I'm going to grab the ends and pull them underneath, and if it's long enough I'm just going to loop it over the top of the left hand ponytail and use a couple of bobby pins to pin in place. Release the right hand side and I'm going to sweep this over the top of the left hand ponytail and secure to the side of the ponytail with a couple of bobby pins. With the tail ends, I'm just going to keep wrapping them around that left hand ponytail and again secure with as many pins as needed. Take that left hand ponytail and pull it over towards the right hand side, and where it meets the other ponytail add a clear elastic band. And I'm just going to pin that right hand ponytail out of the way for later. I'm going to take the left hand ponytail and just roll those ends underneath and hold the end of it to the right hand side of the head and secure with a couple of bobby pins on the right hand side. Then use a pin or two on the left hand side to secure. I've added some wax spray for any flyaways. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. With the remaining ponytail, I'm simply going to split this in half and wrap the sections around one another to create a twist. Secure it at the end with an elastic band. And I'm just going to take that elastic band over to the left hand side and I'm going to slip a bobby pin through the centre, and with the tail ends I'm just going to tuck them inside that little chignon bun we made with the left hand ponytail, and again secure with a few more bobby pins on the left hand side. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.